All right, guys, y'all already know the vibes. Life for Mike LS back in the garage. I got the backup right here. So today, what I'm gonna be doing real quick, man, I got these LEDs right here, right? Some Amazon joints, you know what I mean? Just picked it up because I want to show y'all. Basically, the LEDs I got on this is like, it's not even LEDs. The halogen is like so garbage on this. It's like, I don't know what to say. I'm embarrassed. So take a look at the lights right here. Like, I can't see nothing. I be riding on the highway and I be riding like, I know, because even this is basically old as crap. Need a change, but we not changing that. But y'all know this is the old style look, so we gonna go with that LED look, people. Real. Because you know what? The car deserves it. You know what I mean? Toyota put in that work for me. Been holding me down, so you know what? I'm gonna hold it down, and I'm gonna do this quick swap real quick. And that's what I'm gonna do. So I don't recall ever changing these lights in this car, so let's see how we're gonna get this done. So let's clip this here, people. I think we're gonna start with the fogs today. So let's see what this is like. I did look at a quick video, people. Y'all know I had to look at a video. Yo, this Toyota Solara is not a common car on YouTube or on the internet. This model actually Solara. They have the older Solara. Camry, you already know that's Toyota flagship car. So they all over the place when you pop up Toyota videos. But the Solara, very scarce videos on this. So this is what this is looking like, people. Okay, this was like the hardest thing to select because, like, you know, these bulbs is all the same, and it's like, all right, so it look like you got a little fan back there, look a little classy, look, okay, you already know, right? All right, so this is the fogs, right? And let me get to the headlights because, yo, people, I'm getting fancy, kid. So let's get to the headlights real quick. And let me show y'all. So if you got a Toyota Solara, I don't know people with Solaras. I don't really see them on the streets like that no more. I do see them in Long Island once in a while, but, you know, oh, this one here, they gave me the white gloves. Okay. They gave me the manual, they gave me all that, and it looked like this one. So this is different from that one. So it's a little bit different. And we gonna see what we do. All right, so let's get this going. So I'm gonna carry these first, right? Over here. And quickly, as I seen somebody do a video. Basically, they was like, I guess in reality, you're supposed to take the wheel well out, do all that, or take the undercover out. But I seen a dude going from underneath here. He was like, yo, going from the side, right? So we go get skinny on them, right? And this thing is super dirty, right? He said you could put your hand in here. I don't know how small his hand was, but let me see what I could feel, right? All right. So I do feel it here, right? Let me see if I turn it up, right? I got it. Right, so here we go, right? So I did get it, and I kind of put it in here, and I think I had to turn it up or down or something like that. All right, but other than that, let's try to get it in the best way we can, right, people? First of all, let me see if I could get the other one first. That's another major thing, because sometimes I get one easy, and then the other one be like a hassle. Let me see. As I said, oh, this one here is a little bit, like, different. Shit. And that's what I was saying, like, this dude showed one side, but he ain't show, yo, the other side is like, that bitch is in here, kid. And see, this is like, I don't be like, that's weird, like how they have this. Yo, I gotta really put my hand in here. Like, people. Like, I gotta really force my hand here. Like, I got it out, but sheesh. I mean, make sure I remember how to get it back in. See, like, my hand is stuck. Like, this dude I told you, this dude had to have, like, some real little hands, so it kind of went in like this. Right, people? So this one went in like that. The other one went in basically the other way. All right, so let's do this real quick. Knock it out like Pacquiao. Right, so let's plug this out, people. You gotta press it basically. And I can hear all that dirt. Ooh, as I told you, this is oldest fart. So I'm just gonna throw it right here. Right. And make sure it plugs in. Pow. So that's one. And this harness is a little bit shorter. That's two. Right, and this is not really a video. I always say this is not a how to do, this is how I'm doing it. Because I'm doing this for the first time, people. You know what I'm saying? So basically, y'all learn it with me. So you see the way it's pointed? Because I have to go, I believe I gotta go back in that same angle. Put it in, whatever. When I get in there, I guess I'll figure it out. All right, so let's see how this look real quick. See if we got some motion. Y'all gonna tell me from 1 to 10 what we think. Whoa, whoa, the cameraman went like, whoa, whoa. Wow, see the difference? I can't wait to see the top, god damn it. God damn it. Y'all gonna make me take this car to the car wash tonight, homie. All right, let's get it back into place. That's the main thing, important thing. And then we could look at how we look at it. So this is another episode right here on getting this ish back in here. Like the guy was like, yeah, just stick your hand in here and put your hand in the hole and everything will be 1, 2, 3 and twist and da 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 da. And that's how they be coming at me, kid. I be like, yo, motherfuckers be making that shit seem so easy, right? Just put it in here and put it in the hole and just twist it and yeah. All right, I put it in the hole and you see what's going on, right? Yeah, all right. And that's what I be saying. Like, now you gotta find the fitment. And that's what I'm saying with this. Like, I can't see, so I'm going in blind. Right, so I gotta find, I look like I found it. Let me see, twist it up or twist it down. And it's still not angled the way I want it to. Let me see, is it angled? Twist it up or twist it down? Let me see. I think I maybe have to, it's not going in the way I want it to. So, that's what I'm saying, people. And sometimes, you know, as I said, this is aftermarket too, so it's like, is it correct or is it not correct? So I got it. Okay, that's one down. Now, the other one, and the other one, as I said, was a little, I had to put my arm in it, and I don't got, you know, I ain't 175 pounds and all that anymore. So my arm, you know, I got a little arm there, people. So it was like, you see right here? That's what I'm telling you. So this dude maybe had no arm, and he just put his whole arm in there, right? And was like, hey, yeah, 1, 2, 3. You don't gotta take the bumper out, buddy. Just do it this way. 1, 2, 3. Right? You know what's funny? I got it in 1, 2, 3. You know why? Because my name is Mike LS. Fuck you, man. All right, so now let's take a look at what we look at. Crazy, right? Good, Gucci? All right, guys, hell yeah, man. Now y'all see the difference? Oh, man. Now it look like a car, kid. Like, now it look like something, right? Know what I mean? Give it a car wash, put some Emerald on the tires. Now what y'all telling me? Huh? What y'all saying? Huh? Y'all go diss my coupe now? Huh? All right. So we gave y'all that before look. All right, guys. So now we got the bottom done. Now to do the top, right? And I bought on Amazon, kid. If anything, I guess I could put the link to y'all, whoever got a, which I don't know nobody with a Toyota Solara, you know what I mean? All right, so I'm gonna start with the easy side, right? Give me a little bit more light, here you go. So we gonna start with the easy side right here. As I said, easy side right here is this one here, look like. So you have the, I didn't get this, but it's a daytime running light bulb. The high beam, maybe I'll get that in the future. But you know, most of the time we really don't use high beams like that. But if I'm going out of town, which I would not be going out of town with this car, that's what it's good for. Let's see if this is difficult here. Because it looks like the wire is like pulling. It don't look like too much angle. Like the harness, like they made the harness short or something. Or this is in my way or something like that. Alright, so let's I don't think Toyota did a good job with this here. Cause look, as I say, you see the angle? Like the angle is garbage. Like I'm all over the place. I'm touching the bulb. Right? Which is no good. And okay, so I guess I gotta put it in from here, like this, so you got people, so whoever's doing this, you gotta take it out going this way. I don't know, that's all I can tell you. You gotta take it out going out that way. So, okay, so this is the new one. Take a good look at it, know what I mean? You got the little fans back here to keep it cool, LED style, and that's what we're gonna do. All right, so let's go back in the same way we came back out. And let's see if this plugs in here. Bam, plugs in. And let's slide it across. Bam. All right, and let's carefully line it up in that hole. Like bam. And then let's see which way we're gonna get it worked in, not that way. So I guess we gotta go the other way. Like this spot is like tight, people, so let me try to, I gotta do that feel test. I'm trying to like feel which way is the better way. So it's not this way, so I think I took it out from this one. You see that harness is garbage, so it look like it's that way, but something just messed me up right here. So I said the room, all right, so it's here, right, and let me try to turn it now, down, and it locks in, and it's locked in. All right, that one was something I just learned. So now this side right here, see all this garbage right here, tucked in right here, whatever. So this right here is in a little corner spot. So let's see, hopefully this side's easier, right? And let me see, we pulling it to going that way to take it out. Okay, cool. They're giving me some, all right, they gave me a little play with the harness. And they stupid, why don't y'all give me more harness? Like Toyota, you should have gave me more harness so if I'm changing the bulb, I could come out to here. Like, you dig what I'm saying? Like, what kind of little shorty? Like, come on, like, people that's, yo, dumb manufacturer people who be thinking about you know, this, like, make it make sense, all right? So that one's here, and this one, let's put it back in here. All right, once again, y'all see what it is. I guess everything shoots from the side and not from the front, and hopefully it do what it do, you know what I mean? And same thing like I did here, people. Snap that down here, bow, and now it's to get it back in this hole here the best way I can. It looks so easy coming out, but going in it looks like, you know what I mean? Like a whole different, like story now. Like I have to go in and go down and do this, so I came out this way. Right, and came out this way. All right, not bad, right? 5 minutes? That was like 5 minutes. Listen, first time. Nah, let me stop capping. I mean, I changed bulbs before, but whatever. All right, so, are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? So y'all seen what it looked like before, you know what I mean? Y'all already know what these halogen joints is garbage. So I just wanna, like, you know, show off a little bit. You heard? So let me start it up because I don't want to kill the battery. You know what I mean? Ready? 1, 2, 3. 10 times, brother. From 1 to 10. From 1 to 10. Hell yeah. F you, man. Oh, man. LED, baby. Just made a transformation, people. We in the game, people. We in the game, man. The Toyota's in the game. I'm about to put the hood on for y'all. Hell yeah, man. Yo, y'all could use this car for a music video if you got any new rap songs or whatever, you know what I mean? We got the Toyota Solara coupe with the LEDs, baby. You know what I mean? I'll give you a good price. I'll give y'all a good price. Hell yeah, hell yeah. You know what I mean? We could do the video in the dark. Alright. Hell yeah, way better, man. You know what you may be saying? I know what they may be saying. Like, yo, this is corny. You should have did this a long time ago. I know, but this is the backup, and it's in effect right now. It's on the streets. Hell yeah. You heard? All right. Well, people, as I said, man, yo, this is what we doing, right? Just another video on another car. Y'all already know Renzel is up next, and I just wanted to continue my motion. And this is what I'm doing today. So I just installed LED lights basically on the Toyota Solara, the backup, the 2004. Catch y'all on the next one.